A lot of the value of NX is in the plugins provided by Narwhal. These are things like Narwhal Angular or Narwhal React. But what if there's some functionality that isn't provided by Narwhal's plugins? You can use npx create NX plugin to scaffold out your own custom plugin. You can give it an organization name and the plugin name. This creates an NX workspace with a library for your plugin. A plugin consists of builders and schematics, and this workspace gives you one example of each. The source code for your builder is under the Builders folder, and this specific builder simply logs out builder ran from my plugin. Your own custom logic would be placed in here. Each builder that you create needs to be registered in the builders.json file, which registers the implementation file, the schema for all the options that you can provide in the command line, and a description. Schematics are used to generate new code or update existing code. And this example schematic has its implementation here in the schematic.ts file, and it's registered in the collection.json file. This workspace is pre-configured so that NX test my plugin will run all the unit tests for the builder and schematic. There's also an end-to-end application which will run the schematic against an NX workspace that's created in a temporary folder. This ensure NX project function creates a temporary NX workspace. Then run NX command async simulates typing in NX generate my.org, my plugin, and the my plugin schematic. And then functions like check files exist can verify that the output is what you expect it to be. So you could run these end-to-end tests by running nx e2e my plugin e2e. You can see that the temp folder is created with an NX workspace here, and the workspace.json file contains a reference to the my plugin builder. You can even change directory into this temp directory and then run NX commands like you would in a normal NX workspace. Once you're happy with your plugin, you can go to the root directory and run nx build my plugin and run npm publish on the dist libs my plugin folder. If you would like to add a plugin to an existing NX workspace, you can run yarn add narwhal NX plugin and then run nx generate narwhal NX plugin and then give it a name. We're excited to see what kinds of plugins the community creates. If you've created a plugin that you think others would appreciate, open an issue in the NX repo and we'll see if we can add it to the NX list command.